Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress from Bluehost cPanel. As you can see right now I'm connected on my Bluehost cPanel. So from here you just scroll down, you find from software, you find WordPress Manager, you click here. So as you can see here, those are my subdomain. So from here we are going to click install, and from here you need to select the URL where you want to install it. You need to be very careful. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna be choosing this subdomain here, and then you can select the version of WordPress. So the latest is this one here. Okay, and here you can select either HTTP or HTTP www, but I'm gonna choose this one. You can also choose your directory from here. So I'm going to find my directory for this subdomain. I'm gonna go to File Manager and then find public HTML. This is my subdirectory, this one here. So if I right click here, if I go to rename, so this is my subdirectory. I'm gonna select, copy it. I'm gonna come back and then paste it here. Okay, so you can use quick install, or you can create the block name here and then put a username and password. Okay, I'm gonna go for install. And I have to wait. It's doing the installation right now. As you can see, they say it might take 3 to 4 minutes. If I open this folder, you can see here it's installing. See, busy installing, and it's done. As you can see here, they say congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Ciao.